In this video, you will learn the modern wardrobe design tips for your master bedroom. Welcome to a journey of transforming your master bedroom with modern wardrobe designs. This video is crafted for those who appreciate the harmony of elegance and functionality. Explore how sleek aesthetics elevate your personal space into a sanctuary that embodies style and sophistication. Dive into the minimalist approach where less is more. Discover wardrobes with clean lines and uncluttered designs, offering a serene backdrop for your bedroom. These wardrobes blend seamlessly with the room's decor, maximizing space while maintaining an air of refined simplicity. Uncover wardrobes designed with exquisite materials that speak luxury. From polished woods to glossy laminates, each piece exudes elegance. The tactile delight of premium materials enriches your room experience, adding depth and character to your living environment. Witness the magic of intelligent design with modular and custom-built wardrobes. Whether compact or expansive, these solutions make optimal use of any space. Integrated lighting and clever storage options ensure functionality without compromising on the elegance that discerning style enthusiasts demand. Explore the art of accessorizing your wardrobe. Soft close drawers, mirrored panels, and bespoke knobs can transform the ordinary into extraordinary. Thoughtfully chosen details infuse personality and elegance, reflecting your unique taste and adding a personal touch to your bedroom's design. Learn how the right palette enhances your wardrobe design. Soft neutrals and muted pastels set an elegant tone, while strategically placed lighting accentuates design features. Together, they create an ambience that is both inviting and aspirational, perfect for a sophisticated master bedroom. Now that you're inspired to transform your space, why wait? Explore these modern wardrobe ideas further and start redesigning your master bedroom. Subscribe for more design inspirations and share your creations with our community. Embrace elegance and innovation, crafting a sanctuary that's uniquely yours.